Hey, it's Mark helping you to understand English grammar, and we're moving on to the transitive patterns today. You're not going to believe what happens. Let's just take a quick review. You remember in the grammar text that you are composing yourself, we asked you on the first page to write the pattern numbers in this way. Kenny, I'm here again with my trusty sidekick, Kensuke Edward Panic. He's working the camera. Kenny, you remember why these three are listed together?
Yeah, they're all verbs.
Great. Do you remember why these two are listed together?
They're linking verbs.
Okay. Do you remember why these two are kind of related?
No.
No? Okay. Well, this is the adjectival subject complement, right? I am scared, right? How's the linking verb version of that look? I seem scared, okay? I am bad, I smell bad, okay? That's all we have with the linking verb. And what do these, number 3 and 5, have in common? They have an adjectival subject complement?
No.
What do they have?
They have
Two noun phrase ones, right? Okay, so I am a teacher, noun phrase 1, right? I became a teacher, noun phrase 1, noun phrase 1, okay? Just remember why they're all together. And why is 6 all here by itself?
I forgot.
Does it do anything to do anything? How many nouns are in a pattern 6?
1.
That's right, okay. It's your intransitive pattern. We'll go back and look at those videos if you're still a little fuzzy on that, and keep practicing writing in your notebook different versions of those sentences. Today we're going to look at some of these, and these 4 are all listed together because there is something doing something to something else. Okay? We have a noun phrase 1, and then we have an object. Let's take a look at what's going on. Kenny, can you see any nouns in that sentence?
Yeah.
What?
The bat.
Okay.
And the ball.
The bat and the ball. Why are they nouns?
Because you can hug them and they're objects.
You can hug them. They're things. They also have a determiner. They can be made plural. We could have 2 bats. All right. And then we have, is this noun phrase 1? Remember pattern 3? I am a teacher. Me and the teacher, we were the same referent, right? Is this the same as this?
No.
Okay. We're going to call it what then?
Noun phrase 2.
Okay. We have noun phrase 2, and then we have our verb in here. That's what makes it a pattern 7, okay? Something is doing something to something else, and you have a pattern 7. You have 2 noun phrases. Why might this one be confusing, bruh?
Because it's long.
It's long, all right? And because it's long, there are lots of different nouns in there. Can you find all the nouns in this one?
The boy.
Okay, we have boy. What else?
The bat.
Okay, we have a bat.
The ball.
Ball.
And the fence.
Okay, and these in fact all have the same determiner, right? The. So we're going to go noun phrase 1, noun phrase 2, noun phrase 3, noun phrase 4. Is that how it works?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Try saying no. Are we going to go noun phrase 1, 2, 3, 4?
No.
No, we're not, okay? This we know is noun phrase 1, right? The boy. But noun phrase 1 goes all the way to here. Now, why isn't this noun going to count? Do you remember what this word's called?
Preposition.
Okay, so we have a whole preposition here, the object of a preposition. That means we can put this one on the side. This is going to, we'll just worry about that later. And let's see. We go back to the fence. What's this word that we see here? What type of word is that?
That's a preposition.
It's a preposition. That means this whole part of the sentence, we can kind of save it for later, all right? So what are we left with?
The
Noun phrase 1, the boy. Here's your verb. And
the ball.
and which is noun phrase
2.
Okay. Now, this entire prepositional phrase we're looking at, what's called a phrase. It's a collection of words. Noun phrase 1, noun phrase 2. All right, now once you got rid of these things, it's a little bit easier, just as easy to diagram as you would have it up here. So just simply the bat for this one. What did the bat do?
It hit the ball.
Okay, and this we have a straight up and down line will indicate the direct object, and we put our determiners in here. All right, Now, when you have the prepositional phrases, you're asking, what are they modifying? Well, the adjectival is going to answer the questions, what kind or which one. So which boy are we talking about, Boo?
The boy who hit the ball over the fence.
Which boy are we talking about?
The boy with the bat.
Okay, so we have boy, and then we have our determiner, the, and then if you remember, we put our preposition itself on the slanty line, and we put the object of the preposition there. So in this case, the boy is our head word. In this case, it was the bat. Now the boy is the head word, and this is modifying boy. What did he do?
He hit the ball.
He hit. All right, and again, we still have the ball here as our direct object. That's the thing being hit. Now, is this answering the question, what kind or which one?
No.
Okay, what is it answering? Where, how, okay, time and place or how it's done. That's going to modify our verb, right? That's our adverbial preposition. Where did he hit it? Over the fence. Got it so far?
Yeah.
Okay, we're still here. This is all we got going on is our pattern 7. These are all our pattern 7s here. The transitive, this is doing something to this. Can you go down at the bottom? Where are your nouns, dude?
The nouns are the boy,
Okay, we have a boy,
the ball,
ball,
the bat,
bat,
and the fence.
same ones. Can you find your main verb there?
Hit.
All right, so if you're going to divide this into subject and predicate, where would you make your division? Right here. This guy did this stuff. So far, so good? Now, let's go through here. Where's noun phrase 1 subject?
Noun phrase 1 subject is the boy.
Okay, and what did the boy do?
The boy hits the ball.
He hit something, right, okay. What did he hit?
He hit the ball.
Okay. Now, here we have a noun. Is this noun phrase 3, noun phrase 4?
No.
No, why?
That's because of the preposition.
It's an object of the preposition. So we have one preposition here, and we have another one here. Interesting, right? So the boy with the bat, we were saying which boy, right? Mm-hmm. Well, now we have with the bat. Is this saying which boy?
No.
What is it saying?
Hit how he, with what he hit it with.
Okay, it's modifying the hitting, right? How is the hitting happening? So in this case, our preposition's adverbial, right? It's not saying which boy, it's saying how he hit it. Okay, with the bat. And of course, this one, is this saying which boy? Anything like that?
No.
What is it saying?
It's saying where he hit it.
Where he hit it, so that would be adverbial down here as well. All right, that's your pattern 7. Thank you.